Here we have the Gleaner truck behind me. It's 10 to 7 in the morning. I think it's the 3rd of November, Wednesday. And this sparkly white Gleaner truck is going to be the focus of my attention all day today. We're taking it out from Oban and then going to head up to Glencoe, through Glencoe, one of the most scenic places in Scotland you could film. It's an absolute dream. I've always wanted to film a tanker and I've always wanted to film at Glencoe, so an absolute dream job today for Gleaner. Got in touch with me, the Elgin branch, and has seen some stuff on Instagram that I've done, and I get my dream comes true today. A Gleaner truck crossing across one of Scotland's most stunning locations. So yeah, just going to be filming on and off throughout the day. The drone is going to be out there. We've got a GoPro in the cab and going to be working on some conversation with the driver that we're going to use for voiceover. But there she is. I'm going to call her a she today. Look at it, it's beautiful. The guys at Gleaner in Elgin came to me and they asked me to put together a proposal of what could be done. Driver today I've got is Ian, as you can see, Papa. And very quickly put together a proposal, but the big thing of course was the weather. And I looked ahead on Met Office, and today, Wednesday the 3rd of November, was the day that looked the most settled over here. It's looking good so far, as you can see in the sky, just a few clouds, but can't wait for this. I really can't. It's 10 to 7 in the morning and everything's perfectly poised. Time is 10 to 2 and we're just heading across Rannoch Moor, myself and the Gleaner truck now. As you can see, there's a little bit of rain. This is one of the most desolate parts of Scotland, I would say. Very, very wild, heading towards Glencoe. And we've done loads of filming in different locations. Viaducts, amazing bridge with a great sunrise, some marvellous lighting earlier in the day. And just some fillers here and there. Seriously hope that this rain is not going to persist, because we're about an hour and a half away from the golden hour, which is the best time really for filming later in the day, just before sunset. But it's a mixed bag out there. Bit of blue sky, some clouds, some rain. Not really caring if it gets a bit moody, because that's a part of Scotland as well, you know, like especially crossing Rannoch Moor. And then basically it's just going to be into Glencoe, and that is where, well, that is the location that we want to get the very best of the filming. So yeah, go away clouds, give us some blue sky back and a bit of sun, and that'll be perfect. Just say reliability a minute.
Reliability. Reliability
Prides itself on its customer services and reliability.
prides itself on customer services and reliability.
Yeah, that was right.
It said prides itself on customer service. Prides itself on customer service and reliability.
Perfect.
Prides itself on customer service and reliability.
Yeah, you got it right the first time.
Right.
That's it. That'll do.
It's a wrap.
That's a wrap. Yeah, sorry, I know it's a bit laborious.
Hey, listen, it's got to be done.
Repetitive.
Got to be done.
Good morning. I just thought I would share my thoughts and reflections on yesterday's filming for the Gleaner promo. One of the leading fuel companies, certainly in the north of Scotland. I made the way down to Connell on Tuesday night from Inverness, where I'm based, and stayed at the Locknell Hotel, which is in Connell, and just by the Connell Bridge, in fact. I'll come back to the hotel later. And I was out yesterday morning with Ian, the driver, at the Gleaner depot. About 6:30 we met up, and basically we're filming a route from the A85 to A82 into Glencoe, and we spent the entire day doing that, and we had the best day, best day for weather. We had colour at sunrise, which we had no wind, which was really great when you're drone filming. We got a GoPro in the driver's cab for Ian's perspective, shots to be included. Obviously the drone filming, did some stunning locations on that route. The weather was very kind to us. We had a few moments on Rannoch Moor where it's very high ground and the weather turned a bit moody, but it was a day that had it all, and it all went in our favour. The sun most definitely shone on us yesterday. It was meant to be, and I can't thank the people at Gleaner enough for their cooperation, giving me free rein to make the film that I want to make to them, knowing what their vision is for it. And at the end of the day, Ian and I sat at the depot in Connell, and we recorded the narration for the voiceover. Sorry, we recorded the voiceover, which is going to form part of the promo film. So we're going to produce a couple of pieces. I'm going to do a 15-second kind of teaser for the social channels, and then a 3-minute promo showing more of the journey. To be honest with you, I got so much good stuff yesterday that it could be something longer there as well. But yeah, massive thanks to Alex at Connell, Stephen, the owner of Gleaner, over 65 years young, for the job. It was a dream to film a tanker in Scotland, especially the locations that we went to yesterday. And sometimes, you know, we get so wrapped up in our lives and life passes us by, but yesterday I took in every moment. Even though I was working, I loved every moment of it, and I appreciated where I was. You know, I was in Glencoe. The day didn't just pass me by. You know, yesterday's job will stay with me, and this part of the world will stay with me. You know, the Connell Bridge, never been there, never heard of it. Absolutely such a iconic looking bridge, and really got into bridges since I moved to Scotland, and that's up there as one of my favourites. It's very unique. Check it out. Connell Bridge. Used to be the railway bridge that linked the land together. The guys at the hotel just showed me some old photos actually, but one of the scenes when the Arctic left the Connell yard yesterday was to go over that bridge, and the lighting was absolutely superlative for that scene. Honestly, the day couldn't have been better. It really couldn't have done, and we just planned it so well. But Ian, big shout to him. Ian must be the most patient man in the world, because for the whole day virtually I told him to go back, do it again, go back, do it again, go back, do it again. Okay, drive a bit further, then wait, drive slowly, when you see me slow down, pull over at the next bit if you get ahead of me. All day long I gave him instructions, and all day long he put up with me, and I kept apologising to him, saying I'm really sorry, you know, it's just, but when you've got to get it right, you've got to get it right. And Ian was the perfect driver to put up with me yesterday, and even to do that voiceover at the end was, yeah, it was great. So I went to bed last night very happy, and knowing we got the job done, and some, you know, and some. So yeah, can't wait to get it done. The next thing you see about Gleaner online will be what I put together, and a big shout actually as well to the Locknell Hotel, because I went in there quite short notice on both nights and decided to go down there on Tuesday night because it was an early start Wednesday. It's a 3-hour drive down from Inverness, so they accommodated me. They sent me off to work yesterday with a packed lunch, which was cute. And last night I was so shattered I couldn't drive back. I thought, no,
phoned them up again. They gave me the same room again, and I went and chilled out, much needed, and I've had a really nice breakfast this morning. They're very friendly, and one of those places that just goes out of their way to help you. So can't recommend that place enough. Locknell Hotel in Connell. So that's it. That's me done. Couple of hours now to get back. Great part of the world. Highly recommend it. And thanks for watching. And oh, that was good. Right at the end. Right at the end. Thanks for watching. Be back soon.
Just look at that.